Hello interwebs, it's me, Dylan, Dillio624. It's my third pre-recorded video that I'm not gonna upload anyways. This is a room tour of 2023. No. A little echoey in here. You see my calendar right next to the door. It's almost March. Anyways, here's a room. Start off with this bedroom door. Very nice, and a calendar. Very, very nice. Oops, I flipped it. A closet. We have, it's not fully complete actually, but we have my shelves over here. This has all my clothes in it. And my alarm clock. I cracked it when I moved, sadly. I'm living in BC now. Got a nice little shelf with all my favorite airplanes. And all this. This is all fine and dandy. Yeah, then we come to this wall. This is the renter-friendly version. That's why it's not exactly on the wall. That's why it looks funny. But voila, there's my wall and my bed. I got a nice bed, courtesy to my roommate's parents. Yeah, and we find this little shelf at IKEA. It was, what, $29 or something, and got my little stuffies on there, and I got Banana and Oscar and Oliver. Got a nice view from the backyard. Yeah, that's about it. You want to come to my setup? We have my computer here. We got a nice open space, I don't know, work or put random stuff. Got my 2 monitors. I had a 3 monitor setup for a while, but I accidentally broke the screen while I was moving as well. Not a problem though. We have everything we need here. Got some good speakers I found at the thrift store or whatever, and got the same Red Dragon keyboard that I've had for a while, a wireless Logitech mouse. And there is Emily. This is basically just a lovely one-shot wonder. I always used to love making videos like that. And my PC right here, just got a 2nd gen Ryzen 7 and RTX 2060. Yeah, yes. Life's been going well. I live out here and I got my car that I bought in March of 2022, and I've driven it almost 40,000 kilometers now, which is kind of insane. Yeah, I like to do lots of adventures, and I put a subwoofer in the car, which is awesome. Maybe I'll post something on that just for other people to get to know what it's like and how to install it, which we didn't really do anything crazy in regards to that, but yeah. Oh, there was my lock screen's kind of funny. And there's my lock screen of Emily and Oliver. Yep. Howdy everybody, it's another lovely day. We are here and we are going to do the what's on my phone part of the video. I totally forgot about that. Anyways, let's get this recording going. So here is my home screen. We have Google Wallet, which I should not show you that. Sorry. We have Instagram, Tim Hortons, because it's Roll Up the Rim, and Roll Up the Rim's back, and I gotta get to Timmy's because I haven't done that. Got the standard Samsung phone app, standard Samsung messaging app. I just was testing the Google version. Maybe I might also get the Samsung version of the Contacts app, because I'm using that. I'm using Outlook as my mail app. I switched over from Gmail because Gmail was getting really annoying with certain settings in the email app. I'm also using Microsoft Edge as my browser. I've been using it for years. I love it. It's basically Chromium based now, so you're getting a faster and more secure version of Google Chrome. And then, of course, some websites are really stupid and Google's a monopoly, so I do have to use Chrome on certain websites, sadly, but that's okay. We got Apple Music here. Apple Music. I recently switched over to Apple Music from Spotify because we are using Apple One since Netflix decided to do that whole sharing thing, and I was paying and sharing Yeah. Unfortunately, Apple Music does not include podcasts. Spotify does, so I'm using Google Podcasts and the CBC Listen app for my podcasts. Banking, nothing special. Social media, nothing special. Be Real. Be Real's a thing now, I guess. We got all my shopping apps. I'm using the Google Gallery app instead of the Samsung one right now, because why not? We have Alertable, which is the Canada-wide version of the Emergency Alert app. I shouldn't show you that either because I might show the location. Anyways, what do we have? We have my fun little cell mobile testing apps. Basically, I'm using the US version of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but it is getting 5G right now, so that's awesome. Because they just recently added that like a few months ago, since it wasn't receiving any 5G. So that's cool. What else do we have? We have smart home devices. Google Home is, not bad. Got a couple games, got some basic office apps. That's about it. That's my Samsung. Time to switch to the iPhone. Okay, so we have the home screen of my iPhone here. We have Abbotsford, which is the city I live in. We have my beautiful home screen of Oliver and Emily. Apple TV Plus, which isn't bad. It's actually got some decent shows and movies, so I'm going to stick with that. We have Snapchat, because Snapchat is still better on the iPhone. Like, it has a proper dark mode, unlike the custom skin I have on my Samsung, which gives me a dark mode that works, but it looks kind of funny. The basic apps again, nothing too special. BC does not have a driving app, unlike Alberta, where Alberta has 511 Alberta, so that is kind of annoying. Not like it'll matter to any of you, but yeah. My gaming apps, the sushis. We got some sushis. Unfortunately, 2 of them are dead, but the rest of them are alive and well. We got the Costco app on here, because I use Costco and TNT. Whenever I go to Costco, I just show them my phone, so I don't need the Costco card with me, which is awesome. And yeah, I am a DoorDash driver, and I do it whenever I feel like it. That's basically it for the iPhone, so let's just end that recording. Anyways, peace out everybody, have a good day. Toodaloo.